TTY. Iba.
Natural and nazi. I can't believe that we're seeing today. Cause I've been praying, I've been wishing today. Your beauty got me carried.
Well, I'm Becky. I'm inviting you all to this carnival at CARNIVAL Gallery on the 26th August, this Sunday. I will be there. My friends from Barry, Fraser, Roma, all will be there. So don't miss it. Be there.
Like a perfect ending to a fairy tale. It's an all new world with you. It seems like you put me under your spell, girl. And for your loving I fell. Ciao, ciao a tutti, sono Zaro. Vi invito al 26 di agosto al Jeans Festival. Spero ci siete tutti quanti. Ci sarò anch'io, quindi boh, spero che voi ci siate. Ciao a tutti.
Yo, what's up, Torino? This is your homeboy, AY Superstar DOT. You know what's up? Jeans Carnival 2012. We did it before. Okay, CARNIVAL Gallery on the 26th of August. All road leads to CARNIVAL Gallery. Kudos goes to Donko Concert, Gates Promotions. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? What's up, ladies? Expect ya. What's up? Peace.
Wow, this ticket, man, for the Jeans Carnival, guy.
Well, I heard about it. Somebody told me about it. On the 26th of August, right?
Yeah.
I heard that there's going to be a Jeans Carnival for the second time in Torino.
For real?
We, the Super Eagles of Nigeria, we are appealing to the general public. Everybody needs to be there.
I'm there already.
The first one that happened, should I say, is just the intro. This one is going to be a bomb. Not the Boko Haram, but this one, the bomb. For the fan and white, Padova, Milano, Genova, Napoli, I'm inviting everybody, far out. So I guess that they're going to be pressed to do on that very day.
Plasma 42 inches. And again, like that track, man.
There's still going to be upcoming artists and side attraction to welcome everybody that need to be there. You're going to enjoy it. Please, me, Talk Live, the Super Eagles of Torino, are paying for the first 20 people that will come. So if you want to be my winning ticket, I guess this is on. I'm going to buy my 20 ticket and pay for the first 20 people. I said it to all my friends. Poco, one love, man.
My people, it don't see happen again, no. Ha! I dey tire for these people. Not even know they happen for Torino. This one is just carnival again, and everybody dey thief una style. Ha! My people, mona come man, mona come see wetin they take jeans they do. My people, the jeans wey me dey see, so it don't too much. Oh, see as this guy hold just put yash for ground. As he dey hot so, may everybody pull out. We will come see what we use our rugged jeans they do. Because me want carry first. I want carry.
Hey yo, it's a boy all the place. Jeans Carnival 2012 Torino. We're having a very nice party on the 26th at CARNIVAL Gallery. You make sure you go get your rugged jeans and God man. We're gonna see you that day. Give it up for great promo. See you all.
Hello, my name is Solomon. I am the Financial Secretary of Nigeria Association of Art and Movie Italy.
I'm Ken, the President of the Nigeria Association of Art and Movie Italy, NAMI. I was there last year. It was wonderful. This year, I have seen it. I've gone around, I've made the research. They are all on point. Don't miss out. Jeans Carnival.
Feeling my superstar, 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 feeling my superstar. Yeah, oh yeah, we celebrating. The problems are no more complicating. Step on the floor when the grounds are shaking. Feels like the times that we all been waiting. Champagne life, bottles on me. Step into the club, see the models on me. We're making the raps and we blazing.
My people don't come again. Now maybe this lugar who can be where they say for Torino. Because something will come up for Torino now waiting I never see before in my life. As I hear the matter, they sweat for head and they sweat for yash. If you ready to see the reason why me and they sweat for Torino, so now the Jeans Carnival we want happen for Torino. For this month where we day so on the 26th. Come see what they happen for Torino. Live and direct. As they want to the same for the Jeans Carnival. Thank you, my people. Ciao.
Yeah. This is yours truly, artist coded. the Vice President, Association of Arts and Movie Italy, inviting you once again to Jeans Carnival in Turin. I was there last year, I'm going to be there again this year.
Oh, back again, Jeans Carnival. You know what I mean, man? It's always fun. It's summertime again. I can't waste no time to tell you once again. This is a show you don't really need to make. It's 26th August 2012. It will be taking place at CARNIVAL Gallery, next to the Christ Embassy Church in somewhere around Corso, vercelli. But all I gotta tell you, it's gonna be fun. I won't be right over here to tell you everything, how it's gonna look like, what kind of fun it's gonna be like. But all you need to do, come over with your most rugged jeans, man. Ain't no time to hide at home, trying up your pants at home. And when you can be out to come show us what you really got in your wardrobe, I can't wait to see you. This is my own boys chilling up. They be out there over the do your thing. Give it up straight away for Big Pro, and that's all we out for. I love you.
If I catch you, you go hear them hot. I see them hot, I belong to the ones who drive you nuts. Be see where you there, come make me celebrate. Today, not today, try we must show jubilate.
Put your hands up, let's go. Put your hands up, let's go. Put your hands up, let's go. Put your pants up, let's go.
She says she like the way I did do the azoto. She says she like the way I did do the azoto.
Put your hands up, let's go.